is big number. You know what? You've been bagging several awards ng fashion show. So dapat nagpasok ka dito. Number 12, Kat Gonzalez.
Claim your spot, babe. Number 5, Jane Yustizo.
You are still part of the competition. Big number 8, Princess Atisa Subi.
And you're still part of the top 7. Congratulations, big number 13, Nova Cruz.
Step forward and prepare for the next segment. Babe number 9, Princess Solandana.
Imagine it walking out with si Precious. There's no dulo because you're going to tabulation now. She's part of the top 7.
Correct.
5 down, 2 more to go. The next ball belongs to you. Big number 4, Faye Ramos.
Congratulations, Faye. I remember like yung mga Faye nung pre-pageant ka. Yung walang award, but now you're part of the top 7. Congratulations, Faye. And last but not the least, but before I call in, all the players will be part of the top 14. Congratulations to you girls. Lahat kayo, mga ganda, husay.
Yes.
But the last babe moving on to the grand finals is babe number 14, Penelope Santos.
There you have, ladies and gentlemen, our summerbodiesquest Year 16 Grand Finalist race.
Alright, congratulations, ladies. Let me just check our result. Answer it.
Pinaglakad do.
I love walking.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and we're done with our babes. Now it's about time for us to announce our top 7 for our Hawks.
Okay.
Gentlemen, good luck.
Claim your spot. Hug number 24, Jane.
St. Vincent, number 20, Jovic Magalindan.
Continue fighting. Hawk number 26, Brandon Lavro.
Please step forward. Hug number 15, Hurry Concepcion.
Joining, of course, our 4 Hunts is Hunt number 14.
We're down to our last 2 spots, and the next spot belongs to you, Hawk number 18, Jota Castro.
Sige lang. Again, to the other Hunts na hindi matatawag, congratulations. All of you guys always say this. Palakpakan nyo yung mga sarili nyo. Nilaban nyo all the way here. But one more Hunt is to be called.
Right.